Today we are going to show you how to make a pan-fried sea perch fillet with roast cantaloupe slices and scallops in a bouillabaisse style sauce. Of course, I can't teach you how to do this because I'm a massive noob in the kitchen. Luckily, I happen to have a spare French chef handy, my father-in-law Daniel Gerard.
Yes, thank you. Hello. But I don't cook today, huh? You cook.
I'm going to do the cooking, so hopefully I don't mess it all up because we just spent a bomb on fish. What do we need to do first?
Well, we prepare the sauce first, the bouillabaisse saucepan, and we put all the ingredients in it and gently on the fire. Garlic, chili,
Yep.
shallots. You cut it finely, leave it with the skin, everything like that. You put in it.
So big pieces like
That
this?
doesn't matter with the.
Oh, everything?
Oh, everything more than you take off nowadays. Okay. Same with the shallots. Okay, the chili. There are some parsley.
The sizzles.
A bit of this.
Get rid of it?
Yeah.
In there?
Yes.
Oh. The stalk.
Of leaves as well.
Some leaves?
Some leaves, not much. Well. A bit of charcoal. And the end.
Some of the stalk?
Yeah.
Now why do you put the stalks in?
Because it's very tasty. It must be like this. Okay.
Celery?
Some celery, but just the leaves of the celery. Just a bit. Tarragon. White wine.
White wine. Don't mind if I do, thank you. Oh, in there. Right.
Yeah. A bit more. Voilà. And the paste.
Oh, the tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
Half of a small can of tomato paste.
Voilà.
So about 70 grams.
A bit of water. Just small. Top. Voilà. Voilà. Hop. C'est bon. Voilà. On the fire now. Gently on the fire.
Frying pan?
Yeah.
Yes.
A bit of olive oil. Put the cantaloupe in it, the slice. Yes. No, not like this. Like this, yes.
On the side?
Yeah. Bit salt and pepper.
Voila.
A bit more pepper. Okay. And
Mint. Ah. Chop it or?
2 or 3 leaves
Yes.
on each. Voilà. Oh, okay, we stop. That's it.
Okay.
Take off the saucepan.
This one?
Voilà, and put the bouillon. Yeah. That's it. Okay.
Right, so that's down low.
Low, a bit more.
A bit more?
And the sugar. Get the sugar in the.
Sugar.
No, sugar, not in the fridge. The sugar there, the blue one. There.
Where?
In the container. Put some sugar on the melon.
How much?
Or just few sprinkle on it.
Some butter in there with the cantaloupe.
With the cantaloupe. Yeah.
Now, when we say some, we mean like
Not much.
Not much. Like
2 times like this. Yes.
2 times.
Voilà.
Voilà.
Okay, allez, put in it.
Yep.
Voilà. Bon, it's time now for the fish.
The fish, right?
Now, clean the place first.
Okay, clean it up. All right.
Okay.
Sea perch.
Sea perch.
Now, what do we need to do?
Clean the place.
Clean the place first. Okay, sorry. You're right.
No, we put
One fish?
Yes. Put one and we
Look at this. It's big. It's beautiful.
cut. Take off this part.
Cut along that line.
Yeah. Well, now the melon other side. Okay.
Come on. There we
A bit of sugar and salt. Not much, huh? Top. Voilà. And salt and pepper.
that cooking again. Okay, yep. When it's ready, we prepare the fish.
So we're straining the sauce into this big cup. It doesn't need to be a big cup. It smells amazing. What do you do with all the bits? Do you not use them?
Well,
No.
finish.
Yep.
When the melon is ready, bit of salt and pepper on the fish,
Yes.
and we cook the fish.
Do we cook it in the same pan with the melon?
No,
No. All right. So
some salt.
some of the sauce, not all of it.
Oh la la, it's too much.
Too much. Oh,
Voilà, stop. Voilà. Yes, good.
just a little bit of the
Put the
sauce.
scallops in it.
The scallops in a little bit of the sauce.
Yes, and a piece of butter.
Some more butter for good luck.
Oh, no, just a bit more.
More.
Just a bit more. Voilà.
Okay.
Okay. Now take off the melon. The melon is cooked.
Yep.
Yeah. Put this there for 2 minutes.
Starting to bubble now.
Okay, leave it
Okay.
on side.
All right.
Okay, and now the fish. Your plate for service?
That time already.
Oh, it's simple.
Yeah.
Prepare some mint leaves. Put on side some.
Chopped or
No, not chopped. No.
just plucked.
Yeah. Voilà. 2 or 3.
Okay. Sounds like it's getting pretty hot in that pan.
Voilà. Okay.
Okay. Fish.
Yes, maybe. Yeah, now, allez. Fish.
Okay. There's no skin, is there? So it doesn't matter which side.
No skin.
Yeah. How long do you normally cook it for?
2 minutes each side. 2,
Mhm.
3 minutes.
All right. So the fish has been on for a couple of minutes. It's looking pretty good. You want to give it a poke?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Allez, put it in the plate.
On the plate. Okay. You pour all the sauce on too, or just the fish?
And some sauce.
Yeah. Well, the chances of this ending up on the ground seem distinctly.
Okay, pour the sauce. Not much. Voilà, c'est bon.
Okay.
Allez, eat the melon now.
Heat the melon up.
Yeah. Voilà. Just 1 minute. Push a little bit to prepare to organize. Put the melon on one side. Yes, 1, 2. Voilà. Top.
Voilà.
And heat the sauce. Voilà. Cut your mint with the sizzle or whatever on the top of the melon. Put the scallops on the other side of the. And a bit of sauce on top. Charcoal on top. With the sizzle.
Sure. How much?
Yes, just on top of the scallops and on top of the fish like this. Voilà. Voilà, bon appétit.